important development. US President Donald Trump will sign an executive order that suspends issuing of H-1B and other foreign work visas till end of this year, given the current COVID-19 situation, how so many have lost their jobs in the United States of America. So on the lines of America First policy, once again, Donald Trump, who is all set to sign an executive order that suspends issuing of H-1B and other foreign work visas. This he is doing, keeping in mind the coronavirus pandemic, how nearly 40 million Americans have lost their jobs in the last couple of months as the US economy has come to a halt due to the deadly virus that has so far killed more than 120,000 people in the country. The latest move is an extension of the previous executive signed by Trump that suspends issuing of new green cards for rest of the year. And this latest order applies to H-1B visas, H-2B visas, H-4 visas, L-1 visas and certain category of J-1 visas as well. Our editor, my colleague Niranjan, joining us with more details. Niranjan, once again signing an executive order that suspends H-1B visas and several other visas as well. So certainly not good news for the global community, but America First policy that we are looking at coming in from the United States once again.
That's correct. The U.S. President has directed administration to reform the H-1B visa system, and this was his message to them after deciding to temporarily halt H-1B visas and a few other foreign visas as well for the rest of the year. Now he says this is a move in the direction of merit-based immigration. He says moving to a merit-based immigration system, the White House, has issued a formal statement. This is after Trump issued a proclamation to temporarily suspend H-1B and other work visas till the end of the year. The Trump administration saying that they will reform the immigration system to prioritize highest skilled workers and protect American jobs. Now, as per the U.S. estimate, they are going to save about 500,000 or 5 lakh 5 lakh jobs. And under these reforms, the H-1B program will prioritize those workers who are offered the highest wage, ensuring that the highest skilled applicants are admitted. So they're talking about a skill-based application system. The Trump administration adding that they will also try and close loopholes that have allowed employers in the U.S. to replace American workers with low-cost foreign labor. Now, these reforms, according to the American administration, will help protect wages of American workers, ensure that foreign labor entering the country is high-skilled, does not undercut the United States labor market. It's also important to note that a lot of criticism has come in for Donald Trump in the last few hours itself. Human rights bodies, in particular those working among immigrant communities, slamming the Trump administration's decision to suspend certain non-immigrant work visas. In fact, the ban on issuing H-1B, H-2B, J-1, L-1 visas will directly harm employers, many Indian IT professionals as well, families, universities, hospitals, communities, and also delay America's economic recovery is what the Immigration Lawyers Association is saying. Not just that, we're getting in a breaking news update that a U.S. congressman has also urged Trump to revoke the temporary suspension of the H-1B visas. This is an Indian American congressman, Raja Krishnamurthy, who's spoken out, asking for this to be removed, to be reversed, to ensure that healthcare system and broader economy are ready to combat the next phase of the COVID pandemic.
Yes, but the Trump administration says they're looking at driving up both the wage level and skill level and also eliminate competition as far as the entry level jobs are concerned. Many thanks, Niranjan, for joining us with all those details.